Back to the promised land, guys. Back to the promised land. We've landed. Woodward Park City. It's like 60 degrees out. Slush laps. I'm with Matt Ganley. We're getting it. We're straight up getting it, guys. Let's go. So beautiful out. Slush is slushing. Matt Ganley's Matt Ganleying. He's already on camera early in the morning. He thought I was gonna go a day of riding without popping in the GoPro. The GoPro comes everywhere.
It's everywhere.
It's everywhere. Even where you don't want the GoPro, I got that GoPro mounted up. And we're going. Also, a little PS. We're done filming the 986 movie. Shit's coming this fall. Matt started it heavy. We got some heavy A-roll rolling down. And then Pocket Coach launching June. And you can build a course or community on there. So, and make money, you know? So you can be living the snowboard dream. Or whatever dream. Maybe it's kayaking, maybe it's surfing. I don't know. But check the link in the bio, because you just definitely check that out. Because that thing's huge. Anyway, let's go. It is legitimately hot. I'd have to peg like 65 degrees right now. Like legitimately 65 degrees. Slush engaged. Chat, I got hella wide stance today too. Actually feels good. Got the new board. Thank you, DT. First run. Huh?
Rolling through that with no tracks was pretty nice.
Yeah, it's pretty sick. There's like no one here.
Leave us one rut in the middle.
What?
Just one front side rut.
I like it.
Somebody's just been training. I haven't hit this since I got
It looks sticky. Like the rail looks sticky. A little back 50. Start things off. Feel good, honestly. Oh, slushy. Okay, need to get better at hitting rails. I haven't hit rails this season. Oh, that's so sick. Go back 50. Was this one sticky? I don't remember.
No?
Okay.
Line.
What?
What's the line?
I think maybe front 3, back 3.
Yeah.
Get it started. Maybe front lip this little thing. Okay, of course he does the perfect front lip I've ever seen. Okay, front 3, back 3. I know you guys are probably tired of seeing me do the same tricks, but we're gonna fire it up. We're gonna fire it up today. Oh, sticky. Holy. Ah, little bastard. Fun. Woo.
There we go.
Knuckle the first one. Good back 3. How did yours go?
Not great.
What happened?
I don't know. I just bumped off the first one and then just didn't do it back there.
Just hit a bump off the first jump?
Something like that.
Looks so nice. Okay, I might bust out a 7. Right meow. Right meow. Chat.
Kind of drizzling.
What?
Kind of drizzling.
Is it?
It's good for snowboarding.
I can see that. I can see some drizzle. Yeah, we'll go back, Seth. New song swap. See if I can not knuckle. Yeah, should we 7? I think we should 7. Holy fuck. Got a little lost in there, guys. That was a little sketch. Went to the moon. I went way too deep.
Yeah, definitely. That one.
And did not land it either. Look, you can see where I landed, like.
Oh my god.
This song it keeps playing, it's just not good. Oh, that was good. Yeah. We're gonna give that 7 a try. Comment right now if you're gonna land it. Damn it. Feeling good until then. These don't show you the slush levels right now. These footsteps are about way too deep. Yeah, we're landing this 720 right here, gang. And it's kind of raining. Okay, what do we think? Tab 5 to back sub? Do we dare? Do we dare, guys? I think we got it. All right. Didn't feel that good. I got the grab. Just a takeoff sketch. It's slushy. Okay guys, might be last run with the GoPro. I'm gonna get the 7 a little bit more clean. I know you're like, you've been hitting the same jumps, but whatever. And also, if you're watching this video, you better go click that waitlist and just check out what we're building with pocket coach, because it's pretty sick. Okay, cab 5, back 7, to you clicking that waitlist link and joining the Pot Coach waitlist, because I'm gonna be building a snowboard community on there where I give you guys all the sauce, but you could build whatever you want, or you can subscribe to mine. So just saying, it's sick. Okay.